It's a beautiful view, no? We made it!
Hi everyone! Today we will take you on a visit to a tea estate in South Mauritius. Later on, we will take a tour of the last ebony forest on the island and find a great viewpoint. Let's go!
Beautiful. Tea as far as the eyes can see. It's a beautiful place. You have really a great view over the lake and the tea plantation.
Undoubtedly, our favorite activity at Bois Cheri is a tea tasting. There are lots of varieties available to try. Normally it was possible to visit the tea factory as well. Unfortunately, it was closed due to the pandemic.
Yes, the dodo tea. Show me the dodo. Where is the dodo? Yeah, here is the dodo on the tea package. The dodo one is my favorite. It's coconut flavored tea.
The restaurant serves Creole food and offers more amazing views. The local deer, called cerf, might pass by to say hi. After stocking up on our favorite citronella and coconut teas, we continued the excursion to the region of Chamarel and the ebony forest. At Ebony, there's a choice between walking and jeep-guided tours. The walking tour to the viewpoint and back took about 3 hours, so we decided for the jeep tour. The tour starts in a small museum where we learn more about the indigenous flora and fauna of Mauritius.
Ebony is an endangered species now. You have all this furniture made of ebony. There's no more ebony left. 2017, and there's little forest left here in Chamarel.
The guide explained which animals we can expect to see during the tour.
Let's go for safari in a jeep.
The first stop on the tour was a raised walkway through the forest. Here we'll learn more about what makes ebony wood so special and the conservation efforts to restore the ecosystem.
They're endangered species. Geckos. Geckos are endangered species. Look, a little gecko looking at us.
The second and final stop of the jeep adventure was the viewing platform.
Have to put some mosquito spray. There's so many here. You will get bitten. Here is Le Morne, the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Mauritius. You can see the whole coast from here. We're very lucky with the weather. I think in half an hour this black cloud will start pouring down. First we stopped at the raised walkway and then we went to Sublime Point. That was the view of the whole coast. Did you like it?
Yes.
It was nice, no? We were lucky, no rain. And we had the safari truck. No, look at us. Go to the car? Down the hill?
Yeah.
If you're up for a more active adventure, you can climb Le Morne itself. Look at the amazing views you can expect halfway up the mountain. This wraps up today's adventures. We'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.